Get the grill that's made for flavor. Broil King's premium cooking system is specifically designed with 3 layers of vaporization to maximize flavor. This means you can enjoy the best tasting grilling experience. The first layer of vaporization are Broil King's Flavor cast iron and stainless steel cooking grids. These extra heavy and extra thick cooking grids are designed to retain heat. That means when drippings and juices contact the grids, the intense heat creates vapor. The vapor, known as flavor, infuses back into your food for that ultimate barbecue taste. The unique shape of the Flavor cast grid is designed to give you more cooking versatility. One side is pointed to direct intense heat to the tips for perfect steakhouse sear marks, and the other side has grooves to capture juices for continuous basting. These grids are spaced closer together to trap and radiate heat to cook your food evenly and more efficiently. The second layer of vaporization lies beneath the cooking grids called the Flavor waves. Made from durable stainless steel, the Flavor waves provide superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill for greater cooking results. The slope of each wave is designed to maximize the vaporization of drippings and infuse great flavor back into your food. Most other grills use heat tents that are too steep for drippings to actually vaporize. Plus, the heat tents are designed to only cover the burners. This results in empty spaces, allowing juices and drippings to pool into the cook box and ultimately fall into the grease tray. This results in lost barbecue flavor and a messy grease tray. Located between the Flavor waves and the cook box is a key element of vaporization: Broil King's patented dual tube burners. These unique high-performance burners have 2 rows of flames on each side of the burner. This means twice the power to promote even heat and ultimate cooking results. The third and final layer of vaporization is Broil King's Deluxe Cook Box. Made from high-grade stainless steel and durable cast aluminum, the cook box prevents cold air from entering for better heat retention and cooking results. The unique enclosed cook box design allows any remaining drippings to vaporize for even more flavor. This means minimal juices in the grease tray and maximum flavor in your food. For the best tasting grilling experience, get the grill that's made for flavor. It's designed to excite your senses and fuel your imagination. Broil King, great barbecues every time.